you guys, hello! So I have decided I'm gonna start the vlog process right now. So tonight I'm gonna be taking with you to make some dinner. So my fam is out of town right now, but they'll be back later tonight. They've been out of town the past couple days, but I've had somebody staying with me. Not anymore. Oh, and you're probably wondering what the hell is going on right here. My school sweatshirt is on my body right now, and it's like the name is on it. So like I don't want like to be like found. So anyways, so tonight for dinner, you might be wondering, I'm making a steak Caesar salad, and I just went to Fresh Market because that is the only place I've ever purchased steak, and I highly regret it. I should have gone to Publix or like probably anywhere else because that shit was expensive, yo. Like, oh my god, I spent $39.39, which is like kind of cool, like on nothing. I swear, like it was like lettuce, dressing, like a snack or two, and then like steak, which was 10 bucks, but I did get like the fanciest steak. So I was like, I'm cooking myself dinner tonight, I'm gonna be bougie, you know what I mean? But like, yeah, so that's how this process has started. But I'll take you along with me to cook the steak and make a salad. And also right now, BT dubs, I'm gluten-free, and I love croutons, which like sucks because I can't eat them. So I'm gonna be making my own croutons. So many DIYs happening in this, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. Okay guys, so let's get started. So step one, you need to put on an apron. So I'm gonna be using my mom's apron. It's like super cute or whatever.
Oh, it's like kind of like a dress.
So step one is complete. Now step two, we're gonna wash our hands. Little haul. So this, right, everything you see right here cost me $39.39. A little bit bitter about it, but like it's whatever. So we got some romaine. We got this really delicious, these are like these stuffed peppers things. They're really good. But I'm not that hungry, so like I guess I won't eat them now. We got my favorite yogurt. It's like so good. We got this like hint water because I'm trying to be like Tati or whatever. And then I have my filet mignon, a lemon, and some shredded parm. Okay, so first things first, my dad told me, so I texted him, asked him how to do that. You want to let the steak rest at room temp for like 15 to 20 minutes. I don't know why really, I don't know, it's just like, it makes the steak soft. I don't know, I don't know. So I guess we're gonna like, we're gonna let that sit. So while I let it sit, I'm gonna head over to the oven and set it to like 375. And I'll show you my crouton recipe I'm gonna make up. Okay, I'm sorry I don't have a better setup, but this is, you know, we're gonna do it with what we have. So the way I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna take these Udi's gluten-free bagels, and I'm gonna cut them up. I'm gonna cut like, let's say, we'll cut like a full bagel, I guess. We're gonna cut them up into like little squares, put them on a baking sheet, olive oil, some seasoning, some salt, some pepper, maybe some other fun stuff that I have in the drawer, and that's it. Super easy. Don't do this at your own home, but now I'm just gonna cut that way, and we're gonna get pieces. Okay, so on this, as you saw, I did the olive oil, some salt, some pepper, and some of that Cajun seasoning. And now we're just gonna go pop it in the oven. So yes, the oven is still preheating, as you can see, but you know, whatever. Meh. Okay, so update, I definitely burned these. And the oven was like still preheating. So like, I definitely would recommend like 300 and then keep a close eye on it because those were in there for hardly any time. All right, so now we're gonna start with the steak. So we're gonna pull out a pan according to my dad. Let's do, this looks like a good size. We're gonna pull out the pan and we're just gonna put a touch of extra virgin olive oil in here and put it on about medium-high heat. All right, so now to season my steak, I'm gonna take my meat. It's like, you know, cute or whatever. Ew, I touched that with both hands. Okay, I'm just gonna just salt. And then we're gonna take some of this fresh black pepper. Flip it over. And you know what? And now I'm gonna just dust extra of the black pepper onto my cutting board so I can kind of roll the sides. Because I'm bougie like that, sweetie. Okay, so now just to add a little bit of like some kick, we're just gonna add some cayenne. Just for a little bit of kick or whatever. I don't even know. All right, so now into the pan, we're gonna put this. I'm scared. You on what I did, so I just had it in here. I'm gonna do it about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Then in about 2. You can see it's like starting to cook down there. So I just put some crushed garlic in that I crushed myself with my crusher. And then I'm gonna flip it shortly. So yeah, it's looking good. She is looking good. All right, so I just cut it. Looks kind of weird in this lighting, but it looks good to me. I'm gonna let it rest for a second, clean up a little bit, and then plate it. So here is our finished product. I'm just gonna take some lemon and just squirt it on the salad because it definitely makes it taste better. And apply my dressing, and that is it, y'all. Alrighty, friends, so I'm gonna give it a little bit of a taste test. Let's see. We're gonna try a little bit of meat. I'm trying to make a bite. Let me try to make a bite. Some meat, a little bit of lettuce. This is gonna be hard to eat. A little bit of lettuce, a little dressing on there. Fuck it. Some cheese and a piece of crouton. Holy crap, that is amazing. I highly recommend this. Oh my god, this is so good. Alrighty. Hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Bye!